Welcome to aminacademy.com. In statistics, let us discuss about bar graph. Bar graphs are the pictorial representation of data generally grouped in the form of vertical or horizontal rectangular bars, where the length of bars are proportional to the measure of data. They are also known as bar charts. Bar graphs are one of the means of data handling in statistics. The bars drawn are uniform width and the variable quantity is represented on one of the axes. Also, the measure of the variable is depicted on the other axis. The height or the length of the bars denoted the value of the variable, and these graphs are also used to compare certain quantities. The frequency distribution tables can be easily represented using bar charts, which simplify the calculation and understanding of data. Here, this is a bar graph, vertical bar graph. This is a horizontal bar graph. Here, these are frequencies vertically, and these are the data given. Here, the bar graph helps to compare the different sets of data among the different groups easily. That means that each bar represents separate groups and as well its frequency, so it's easily understood. While looking itself, we can understand about the nature of data and how much it's increased, decreased, comparing others, we can understand easily. It shows the relationship using two axes, in which the categories are on one axis and the discrete values are on the other axis, that is XY axis. The graph shows the major changes in data over time. Here, so we are comparing the data easily because of the height differences of the bars. It's easily depicted where the data are increasing, decreasing, and which is highest, lowest, we can understand easily. Advantages: the bar graph summarizes the large set of data in simple visual form. It displays each categories of data in the frequency distribution. It clarifies the trend of data better than the table. It helps in estimating the key value at a glance. Disadvantages: sometimes the bar graph fails to reveal the pattern, causes, effects, etc. It can be easily manipulated to yield fact information. It can be easily manipulated to yield fake information. That means the bar graph sometimes it's yield fake information because we are just giving information about how much its frequency and what's the data. So some fake information also we can easily insert in the bar graph, so it has some disadvantages. Even the advantages is more than disadvantages, so it's very useful in statistics to depict situation of business and industries. We can easily give information. Some types of bar graphs. Here it's a vertical bar graph because here the bars are in vertical. That means about x-axis it's drawn to the y-axis. So heights represent frequencies and x-axis represents width, that is data. Here the same thing we are giving in horizontal bar graph in this manner. That means frequencies given in x-axis and data are in y-axis. Here some bar graphs given in colorful, that is different categories in each bar. So look here, it's called a stacked bar graph. So here for example grade 1, grade 2, grade 3 is the data and this is the frequency. It itself gives the frequency distribution, that means frequency range from one set to another. It's easily depicted by different colors. The same bar graph is grouped bar graph. It is here this set of values are given in different bars and touched each other. So it's more informative than here, because each grade, that is each grade, for grade 1 have different categories. That is here the green, yellow, blue, red, like it gives different each same grade in different situation. That means number of children varies in different in each grade, like it gives more information than this graph. So generally bar graph is more useful in business information. We have that. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.